Good morning. I had zero dreams about being in the jungle last night.
Zero?
Zero.
So did I.
I had dreams about playing football. I had more dreams about chicken wings, and I had dreams about baking cakes.
So, I don't know if that step was very dream.
Did I wake up at like 7 o'clock and ask you if you want to bake a cake when we got home?
No.
Yeah, that one must have been in my dream.
Okay, well, just looked at the weather and it said at 5 minutes past 7 this morning in Iquitos it was already 22 degrees, which is rather exciting.
No, it's
But
not.
it's not exciting. I know I was being sarcastic because I don't want to be that hot because I've got to wear full trousers and sleeves and everything to make sure we don't get malaria. So these next 4 days are gonna just be sweaty and just gross and unclean. But there was a power outage in the whole city last night. But we went to sleep. But yeah. So who's ready for the Amazon? Yeah? Yeah. Woo! Let's go to see some sloths. So we're in a market at the moment. I don't know if you can see, but there's an alligator head and some hands and feet and a really, really teeny tiny kitten. This market is so cool. We're just walking to the river now, but there's the most randomest things everywhere. There's a duck on the floor. All the food looks amazing, apart from the fish. I'm not keen on fish, but what is it?
Typical food, the worm. Here is a live worm.
Worms. Oh. Oh. It's a giant worm.
De pico, no se asusta y González se asusta. ¿De verdad? Pico es bueno, mejor que eso, ¿verdad?
I don't want to try it. No.
Give me a hand.
No way.
You want to hold it?
Nah.
That's a very, very good for the asthma problem.
For asthma?
Asthma problem, but you need to eat alive.
No way. I don't have asthma either. Okay, this place is cool but scary. There's loads of really weird things. They look tasty. We are on the Amazon Experience boat. And I'm pretty sure it's just, yeah, all the food. Pretty sure it's just us on this trip, but obviously there's going to be other people in the lodge. Oh, I hope so. But I'm really excited. That market was weird, but yeah, this is going to be cool. We're on the Amazon River and just driven for like an hour, and now we're going through a stream. Oh, we're definitely, oh god, I swear if I get bit I'm gonna die of malaria. We're definitely in the Amazon, that's for sure. We're in a jungle. Just going to our room now.
Ah, I see.
Gracias.
De nada.
Oh.
No, gracias.
Still. Still.
You like it?
Yeah. Muy bien.
Yeah, but this up completely.
So we're just all getting prepared for our walk. Hannah's got a shirt on, gumboots, and
What
personal
is that?
protection head net. How you feeling?
Great. Do I look good?
Yeah, you look great.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you want to show my outfit? Oh wait, let me get my hat on first.
Farmer Morgan.
Farmer come Amish.
Stop. It's very cute, actually, to be fair. But you do look like a farmer.
I'll get my hair in. Don't want the mosquitoes getting my hair.
They own a beehive as well.
And then this is Jack.
I ain't getting bit.
Boom!
Wait.
Okay. It's happening. We're officially in the jungle. I can see cobwebs. I like the outfit. I look like an actress.
I tell you, we have different kind of medicine here.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of the palm tree, but we use the roots for medicine. That's roots is good for yellow fever.
Ah.
We boil the roots and we drink like a water time that clean all the bad thing you have in the body.
Cool.
Oh, I heard that.
Yeah, you've got something on your head. Wait,
Oh.
wait.
What is it?
I don't know.
Did you get it off?
No, it's still there.
Amy,
It's gone. It's gone.
what was it?
I don't know.
That's the Amazon rope.
Natural swing.
I will do it.
I'll do it as well. Whee!
So Tarzan, beat your chest.
I expected it to go further. Send me. Throw me.
That's so crazy.
It's a tree snake.
Yeah.
Fuck off. It's not a tree snake. So how do you do it?
Just jump.
Jump. Just jump.
Woo! Hannah's protection net, personal mosquito net.
Impregnated.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I'm gonna give it a go.
It's not working at all for you.
Right, get fully in.
Now you need a team member to come and help you tuck your corners back in, because you can't even get your leg in.
You pulled the whole bed out. Happy?
Ain't no mosquito gonna get me.
This is lunch. This is jungle meat. You wouldn't tell me what animal it is, but you say kind of like a pig.
Jungle pig.
Wild pig.
And then yuca, which I friggin' love the stuff. I don't know what the heck this is, but it tastes so nice. Good. The yuca's so nice, isn't it? I know, I want to get another bit. That, we are at Monkey Island. So I'm excited. See what we can find.
And that's Aníbal.
Hi.
He's a little angry.
I figured that was okay.
Yeah, that's really.
He's gonna, nah.
There you go.
He's trying to bite your dreads. Like, take the.
You can tell he is just like.
Yeah, just tell me if you want me to take him.
He's fine.
Stimulated, right?
Yeah, that's fun for them. Not that much for them.
Oh my god.
I already know I can do it in this position. Ah.
Do you want me to take him?
That one's so sweet. That one's.
The big one likes to
Oh no, you
take grab the tamarind, the golden tamarind, and put her on her back. And go to her. Like a baby.
Aww.
They're playing. So that's what they do.
It's a good life.
Yeah. Those are the bigger ones.
She's very snuggly, she is.
She's super snuggly, yeah.
Hi.
Oh my god. Now I just want to cuddle the shit out of
A monkey, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And if it's that one.
Could be interesting.
Look at you sticking your your little tongue out.
Oh.
And you're gonna like nuzzle in.
Yeah?
Do you want?
Oh, and a monkey. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Look at his hands.
Yeah.
Just gonna reach for it
Tickle?
again.
Ooh.
Okay.
So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning.
Oh, just look at those hands.
I know, I love
Like
them.
we're
They're like
so
humans.
human.
Did you see the parrot?
Oh, oh.
We're going to try to find the sloth.
Yes, that's all I want in life, sloth. I'll be happy to die with a sloth.
Qué malo, míralo, ya la...
Living the dream. Well, the monkeys were pretty bloody cool. We're just back at the lodge now. In 10 minutes we're going on our nocturnal hikes. I'm assuming it's gonna get dark rather quick. And then we've got dinner at 7:30. Oh, my button. That'll be fun. I won't take you guys long to the nocturnal hike just because once it gets dark the camera won't pick up anything. So I'll show you any pictures we get on the camera later. Back from our nocturnal hike and dinner, we had more yucca, which is the stump, or what was it called? Root of a tree in the Amazon. But I just wanted to show you
Not just in the Amazon.
what we found. So we found this tarantula, which is wonderful. It's not focusing on it, but yeah, there was heaps of spiders. There's a scorpion kind of spider there.
What was that?
Ginormous mosquito. Huge mosquito.
No, I'm just doing it for the video.
Just horrible spiders. Yeah, just gross.
That's not a blanket, that's a carpet.
Look at that.
It
The colourful
is a
ones.
rug.
The colourful ones are the poisonous ones. But yeah, so we just got back, and the light was obviously turned on in our room from the generator, and I don't know whether you'll be able to see at all, but there's friggin' thousands of bugs in here.
Do you know the best part about that?
What?
There's spider web there too.
That means the spiders will eat them. But Hannah's got a net up and ready to go, so she'll be friggin' sweet.
And you can casually walk in on Hannah in the toilet as well, because
We might die, yes. This is the toilet.
I'm doing a poo.
But yeah, that's going to be it for tonight. We're just going to go to bed, and tomorrow there is more activities awaiting. So, good night from the Amazon jungle. Oh, by the way, there's also an opportunity to camp in the jungle,
which we're totally doing.
which Jack wants to do. I'm half-half. I know I hate it when I'm there, and Hannah's definitely no, but we'll keep you updated on that.